Okay, it's blues time. I'm in the key of E and I'm just diddling around here, not just sort of rambling, but I wanted to show you a couple of cool licks in the key of E for acoustic blues. Such a great key for it, you know. And what comes to mind right now is just starting out with just a little walk down as chromatic. And we've talked about this before, but I'm doing like a seventh, like a sort of this shape. So you got the fourth fret on the G string, third fret on the B string. Now this is useful if you've done it in blues in E. You hear it a lot. But if you walk it down, you can almost make a, just chromatically walk it down. And there I'm just, I'm hitting the third fret of the low E and bending it. Very common blues lick. And then jumping up to the second fret on the D, which is the octave of E. So the whole lick, it sounds like this. Now I'm starting out, I'm hanging there for a sec. Now, if you want to extend that chord a little bit, what you can do is pick up the fourth fret of the high E string with your third finger. It looks just like a D7th chord, but up 3. And add that to what you're already doing. And so what that does is it kind of takes it from going like this, which is fine. Just walk it down. Now try that with a little extension. Kind of cool. You know, it takes it to a slightly different place. So that's a really simple hit it and quit it lesson, blues lesson on in the key of A, or sorry, in the key of E, I should say. I'm gonna go to A later today. You know, you can hang out there for a second. You don't have to walk right down with it. You know, I mean, that is a turnaround. Yeah, very effective as a turnaround, as a matter of fact. But if you take it on its own and just let it hang for a sec, well, ain't nothing but the blues. Hey. I think you do. Okay, I'll do it slow. Now that is a turnaround, okay? So it's an open E, third fret E, open A, and then this is kind of where it goes chromatic. That's a open A, 1, 2. So the first part is, and then open D, back to the A2, open A, and then bend that G note, which is the low E3. And then go from a C9 to a B9. Are you a blues cat? Is that what's going on here, Luna? So once again, I'll take it slow. I just broke it down for you, but I'm going to play it slowly. Okay, so now I'm going to do the whole Megillah that I just showed you, and I'm going to do it both ways, walking down. Hey, if you want to sing the blues, okay, just hang out for a second. It's your dinner time, I know. blues cat. Now do it with the extended version. Pretty cool. Yeah. And now I'm gonna do. Hey, quit doing that. Quit doing that. Here's the lick. What are you, Luna? Quit that. I can't messing around with my camera. So what I'm gonna do it up to tempo now. Here's the extended version. And here's a lick. So there's your extended version with a little help from my cat Luna, knocking stuff around. Oh well, part of the deal. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day wherever you are. I hope you're playing your guitar, and I hope this lesson will take you deeper into the blues. Signing off from Santa Cruz. Have a good day, and we'll see you down the road.